laying before the Assembly schedule of authorized supplementary expenditure for the year 2021.
Sir, I rise to lay before the Assembly the schedule of expenditure of supplementary budget for the year 2020-21.
The schedule is laid. Okay.
Sir, if I may move the demands for the main budget, as there are no cut motions, Mr. Speaker, as there is no cut motion on demand number 1 to demand number 156, therefore I request that under Rule 256 of Rules of Procedure, Provincial Assembly of Sindh 2013, to relax all relevant rules, and I may be allowed to make a motion in respect of all demands together.
Okay, you are allowed.
Sir, I move that sums mentioned against demand number 1 to demand number 156 be granted to the government to meet other expenditure for the financial year ending on 30th June 2022 in respect of heads of accounts mentioned therein.
Okay, the motion is that sum mentioned against demand number 2 to demand number 156 be granted to the government to meet the other expenditure for the financial year ending on the 30th June 2022 in respect of heads of account mentioned therein. Now I put the motion to the House. Those who are for the motion may say ayes.
Ayes.
Those who are against may say no. Ayes have it, and the motion is carried. And demand number 2 to demand number 156 are granted.
Sir, I rise to lay before the Assembly the schedule of expenditure for the year 2021-22. Sir, I have signed and laid the schedule of authorized expenditure. Sir, I will repeat it.
Okay.
I will.
Now laying before the Assembly schedule of authorized expenditure for the year 21-22.
Sir, I rise to lay before the Assembly the schedule of authorized expenditure for the year 2021-22.
Schedule is laid. Now the House is adjourned to meet again on Monday, the 28th June 2021 at 2 p.m. Mubarak ho.